All right. So for today, the one thing you want them to do, and we've talked about, is make sure you have your data sheet filled in all the 20 days. And some of you maybe didn't get all of them. You just got to do what you got. But you want to have your 20-day data sheet, and then you're going to take that and you're going to put things into the summary sheet. Both of these are on in our weekly. In our weekly here with data sheet and summary sheet. So the summary sheet, you get the day, temperature, cups sold, all from here. Day one, temperature, cups sold. Again, the rating is when we write the rating great, good, average, or pitiful. And how we do the rating is great equals 100, good equals 75, average equals 50, and pitiful equals 25. So you'll put the number that it corresponds to. Price charge is in your data sheet. The revenue is a formula. If you sold 50 cups at a quarter a piece, the revenue is a formula equals our cups sold times the price charged, which hopefully makes sense. And you only have to do it once, and you copy it down whenever you fill in the blank, it'll work. Daily expenses is whatever your costs are here. So if you had 280, 444, 321, and maybe 250, whatever. So then you would auto sum those. And you write that 1295 number in your daily expenses. And then potential customers. And if you already do cup sold, you can just copy it or just type it in. Down here, I have it typed in. You want to go through your sheet and the forecast, you just count how many times was it clear and sunny. So you just go through, it was clear and sunny, count them out 5 times. And then so forth, 4, whatever it was. But then this will be a chart later on. So that's what you want to do. Take your data sheet and then complete your summary sheet. After you're done completing the summary sheet, another thing while you're doing all this, you need to have a company name that you want to make. And then while you're doing that, and then you want to make an income statement. The income statement on our screen isn't very big, but if you go to the instruction sheet, you can see I have another one here. And you'd put your title of your company up on top, income statement, put today's date. Total income then comes from your screenshot, total income. So you type that in. Okay, total expenses comes from your data sheet. So every time you bought cups, you have to get your phone or a calculator out, just go 280 plus this plus that. Every time you bought cups for all 20 days, you just add up all 20 numbers. And when you get that done, you put that in there and do the same for lemons, sugar, and ice. You just go through one at a time, so the next time, how many lemons, what was the cost of all the lemons that you spent money on? And you do that, then this is an auto sum. Adding these up, you go equals the cell plus the cell plus the cell plus the cell, whatever. So that this is a formula. Okay? Net profit and loss is your income minus your expenses. So this is a formula as well. It'd be this cell minus that cell gives you that net profit. Liquidated inventory is the number here. You'll place that there. And you will add this ending profit or loss will be the net profit plus the liquidated inventory gives you the ending profit or loss. So the total, add these 4 numbers up. The net profit or loss is income minus expenses. Ending profit is net profit plus liquidated inventory, selling your stuff. So that is how you complete the income statement. So you would like to, by the end of the day, have your data sheet obviously complete. your summary sheet, obviously complete, and then work on the income statement with your company name. And then we'll start working on charts the